Hey guys, it's Curry, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the new vests that I made. So last night I was doing the finishing touches on my latest vest that I completed, and I realized I didn't show you guys the last vest that I made, which is my slasher horror vest. I did actually feature it in a video, but I didn't really go into details as to where I got all the parts for it and, you know, just how I put it together. So I wanted to do a video for that before I tried to show you guys the newest jacket that I made. So I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here is the vest. And has a few different slasher horror killers, and it's really cool. I got all the patches for it on Etsy. I will leave links down below to the seller that I purchased them from. So the first patch on here is actually of Jason Voorhees. Hopefully you guys can see it. But I love Friday the 13th. I love the whole series, and Jason is very much up there with my other favorite slasher killer as being my top favorite. But I do love Jason Voorhees and his story behind him. I love when they do the Freddy versus Jason thing. I'm trying to get the full view in it so that way you guys can see it. But Freddy Krueger, also another patch on here, and I put him exactly across from Jason Voorhees because Freddy versus Jason, contrasting sides, you know, versus. So that's why I put them both across from each other. And then down here I have Chucky, and I think the Chucky movies are actually a bit cheesy, but he is a very popular classic character, and I like the concept behind him. But yeah, so I have Child's Play on here as well. And then I have another patch down here on the other side, which is of Texas Chainsaw, Leatherface. And I thought this one was a really neat little design for his patch. And I love these patches. They're all really good quality, and the only thing is I might need to put them in for a wash, but I sewed them all in here by hand. In fact, I do need to make some touch-ups on this vest because the Freddy patch is getting a bit loose. I wear it to my warehouse job, and a lot of the times my patches will snag to things, or like the little strings that are coming out here will attach to things, so it'll pull on the patches. I actually need to do a little touch-up. But yeah, so that's why I have like a little clip in here. But going on to the next thing, I do want to put a couple of pins on here. I actually have the stuff to make my own pins now, so I'm definitely gonna do a couple of them for more up here on the collar section of the jacket. But as for now, I'm just gonna leave it alone just because I don't have too much time before work to make them. I have to do it on a day off when I have some free time. But on the back side, we have Michael Myers, and he is my favorite slasher killer. He's actually the one I was most afraid of in my childhood, and it brings a lot of nostalgia because I used to watch the movies a lot. Even though he scared me, I was very much interested in his story and just him as a character. I really like the Rob Zombie movie of the original film, so yeah, I really dig it. I got this one actually from a t-shirt. I just cut out the size that I wanted to put onto the back of the jacket, and yeah, so put him on there. I also have the Mark of Thorn on here from his movie The Curse of Michael Myers, where they go more into detail of that. I just went and painted it on there straight onto the jacket. I probably should have just made a patch because it looks kind of messed up. I definitely need to do a little touch up to that, but it's been on there for months, and I threw this in the washer and the dryer, and it still hasn't really came out. So pretty nice, pretty lucky there. And I also, I'm not too sure if you guys see it, but I have like a crap ton of pins on here, of the safety pins. And I even have them on the sides here, and that's what's connecting the little sides of the vest together. I just added this to give it like a unique touch, a little DIY touch to it. So whenever I make jackets, I've made it a I've made a point to put my own like DIY things in it. Even if I have like a bunch of patches that are pre-made on some of these, I will definitely try to add my own little unique touch to them to make it more DIY'd. And yeah, I just really love the way safety pins make things look. They make them look a lot more rougher, a lot more edgy, and I don't know, I just like how it looks. So yeah, but I will leave the links to where I got all these patches from down below. I just wanted to show you guys this before I wore it to work. Actually, I was about to wear it to work, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a quick video to talk about the jacket. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys liked the vest, and for those of you who are looking to make your own horror vests, this is a great example of just that idea that you don't need to be good at drawing or painting to be able to make vests like this. If you have good sources and you know where to find the stuff, you can definitely make them without having to have that artistic skill, or you know, taking that long time that it takes, that frustrating amount of time that it takes to paint onto clothing. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.